Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Can't Close Mix Voice Audio pop-up menu in Windows 10. First method is press Windows and G keys. Close all widgets one by one. If same error still exists, second method is, type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Click Start, click Store. Type Game Bar, select Xbox Game Bar. Get and launch Xbox Game Bar. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.